Ever wonder why puppies literally can't sleep unless they're in a pile? It's actually a survival thing. Newborn puppies can't regulate their own body temperature for the first couple weeks, so they huddle together to stay warm. But here's the thing. Even after they can control their temp, they still do it. That's because the contact releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It's how they learn to trust and connect with their litter mates. That piled up sleep is literally teaching them how to be social, which is why separating puppies too early can mess with their behavior later. They need those first 8 weeks of puppy piles to develop properly.